Hello friends, welcome to Bright Tutorials. Today's topic is RRB, NTPC, Group D, Banking, SSC, CHSL, IAS, KS, PSI and other competitive exams. Important questions and answers part 2. So let's start session. First question, who is the author of the book Unfinished? So our answer is Priyanka Chopra. Unfinished is a 2021 memoir by Indian actress Priyanka Chopra, described as a collection of personal essays, stories, and observations. The book chronicles important moments in Chopra's life and her 20-year-long career, such as working as an actress, producer, and UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador, and her marriage to the American singer and actor Nick Jonas. Next question. Second question. National Institute of Oceanology is located in. So our answer is Panaji. The National Institute of Oceanography, with its headquarters of Donapaula, Goa and regional centers at Kochi, Mumbai and Visakhapatnam, is one of the 37 constituent laboratories of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, New Delhi. Next question. Third question. Which gas is used for the ripening of fruits? So our answer is ethylene. Ethylene gas, acetylene gas liberated from calcium carbide and ethanol are some of the commercial ripening agents used successfully in the trade, and they have been widely studied for their effectiveness on initiating and accelerating the ripening process and their effect on fruit quality and health related issues. Next question. Fourth question. The Nalanda University was founded by. So our answer is Kumaragupta. Some archaeological sources identify a monarch called Shakraditya as a founder of Nalanda University. The scholars identify Shakraditya as 5th century CE Gupta emperor Kumaragupta, whose coin has been discovered at Nalanda. Next question. Fifth question. Azad Hind Fauj was formed in which among the following countries? So our answer is Singapore. Subhash Chandra Bose and Rash Bihari Bose launched the Indian Independence League and the Indian National Army INA, also called Azad Hind Fauj, at Singapore in 1943. Next question. Sixth question. Who developed the polio vaccine? So our answer is Jonas Salk. The first polio vaccine, known as the inactivated poliovirus vaccine or Salk vaccine, was developed in the early 1950s by American physician Jonas Salk. This vaccine contains killed virus and is given by injection. Next question. Seventh question. Which is the oldest dam in India? So our answer is Kallanai Dam or Grand Anicut. Kallanai Dam, it still serves the people of Tamil Nadu, India. The dam was constructed by the king Karikala Chola of the Chola dynasty in the 2nd century AD. The dam is located on the river Kaveri, approximately 20 km from the city of Tiruchirappalli. Next question. Eighth question. Where is the Winter Olympics 2022 going to be held? So our answer is China. Next question. Ninth question. When is the International Yoga Day celebrated? So our answer is 21st June. Next question. 10th question. What is the total number of bones in the face? So our answer is 14. The facial skeleton supports the soft tissues of the face. It consists of 14 bones which fuse to house the orbits of the eyes, the nasal and the oral cavities and the sinuses. The frontal bone, typically a bone of the calvaria, is sometimes included as part of the facial skeleton. Next question. When was the Wildlife Protection Act enacted in India? So our answer is 1972 AD. The Wildlife Protection Act 1972 is an act of the Parliament of India enacted for protection of plants and animal species. Before 1972, India had only 5 designated national parks. Next question. 12th question. What is the total amount of salt in our body? So our answer is 0.4%. The human body contains many salts, of which sodium chloride is the major one, making up around 0.4% of the body's weight at a concentration pretty well equivalent to that in seawater. So a 50 kg person would contain around 200 gram of sodium chloride, around 40 teaspoons. Next question. 13th question. Palghat Pass is situated between Kerala and dash. So our answer is Tamil Nadu. Palakkad Gap or Palghat Gap is a low mountain pass in the Western Ghats between Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu and Palakkad in Kerala. It has an average elevation of 140 meters with a width of 24 to 30 kilometers. The pass is located between the Nilgiri Hills to the north and Annamalai Hills to the south. Next question. 14th question. Sher Shah Suri tomb is located in which state? So our answer is Bihar. Next question. 15th question. Which country is the largest reserve of uranium? So our answer is Kazakhstan. This statistic ranks the leading 10 countries worldwide based on their uranium reserves in 2018. In that year, Kazakhstan had uranium reserves amounting to approximately 304,000 metric tons, making it the country with the largest uranium reserves in the world. Next question. 16th question. Who was the writer of book The Republic? So our answer is Plato. The Republic is a Socratic dialogue written by Plato around 380 BC concerning the definition of justice. Next question. 17th question. Daman, Diu and Dadar Nagar Haveli merged as one union territory on. So our answer is 26 January 2020. Union territory of Daman and Diu has been merged with the Union territory Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and the new Union territory will be called Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu with effect from 26 January 2020. So now onwards the Union territories of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu are just single Union territory. Next question. 18th question. Mahavira was also known by the name. So our answer is Vardhamana. Mahavira, also known as Vardhamana, is the 24th Tirthankara of Jainism. He was the spiritual successor of the 23rd Tirthankara Jagannatha. Next question. 19th question. Which is the classical dance form of Andhra Pradesh state? So our answer is Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is indigenous to the state of Andhra Pradesh and differs from the other 5 classical styles by the inclusion of singing. Kuchipudi originated in the 17th century with the creation by Siddhendra Yogi of the dance drama Bhama Kalapam, the story of Satyabhama, the charming but jealous wife of the god Krishna. Next question. 20th question. What is the SI unit of capacitance? So our answer is farad. Next question. 21st question. What is the chemical formula of vinegar? So our answer is CH3COOH. Next question. 22nd question. Where is the headquarters of UNICEF organization? So our answer is New York. UNICEF, also known as the United Nations Children's Fund. Next question. 23rd question. Which shortcut key is used to copy the selected text on the page? So our answer is Ctrl+C. Next question. 24th question. Akbar's tomb is situated in which city of India? So our answer is Agra. Akbar's tomb is the tomb of the Mughal Emperor Akbar. It was built in 605 to 613 by his son Jahangir and is situated in 119 acres of grounds in Sikandra, a suburb of Agra, Uttar Pradesh, India. Next question. 25th question. Yellow revolution is related to the production of. So our answer is oil seeds. The yellow revolution started in 1986 to 87 to multiply the production of vegetable oils, especially mustard oil and sesame seeds, to achieve independence known as the yellow revolution. Next. Okay friends, still more competitive exams related information videos will be uploaded in next video. So please watch our channel and subscribe the channel. Press the bell button. Do like, share and comment. Thank you.